The Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano, has on Tuesday matriculated 1,056 newly admitted students for the 2025/2026 academic session, reaffirming its position as one of Nigeria's leading private universities. The fifth matriculation ceremony since the university's establishment in 2022 was held at the Professor Abubakar Adamu Rasheed Twin Lecture Theatre and attracted parents, guardians, and well-wishers from across the country. Speaking at the event, the President of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Mohammad Israr, described the ceremony as a formal induction of the students into an academic community founded on excellence, integrity, and service. He congratulated the students on securing admission into the institution, noting that MAAUN was recently ranked as Nigeria's second best private university by the AD Scientific Index, a global academic ranking platform.
From this day forward, you are not just students, you are scholars, custodians of knowledge, and future leaders. I am also excited to inform our distinguished audience that this year and on this day, Tuesday, 9th of June 2026, we are matriculating a total of 1,056 students for the academic session 2025-2026.
Professor Israr said the university had continued to expand its academic and research footprint through strategic investments in teaching, innovation, and global partnerships. He disclosed that MAAUN has signed more than 70 memorandum of understanding with universities and organizations in 31 countries, including the United Kingdom, United States, Canada, France, Russia, China, Brazil, India, and Afghanistan. According to him, the institution now has over 5,000 students, with female students accounting for about 80% of the population, reflecting its commitment to empowering future leaders through quality education. In his remarks, the founder of MAAUN Group of Universities, Professor Adamu Abubakar warned the students against drug abuse and other social vices, stressing that the university maintains a zero-tolerance policy on misconduct.
Students, let me advise you, you need to be very careful. You know, sometimes when you are admitted in the private university, you think your money is your solution. Let me tell you the truth. In Maryam Abacha, your money is not a solution. As far as I'm concerned, without morality, we are not going to approve any degree. If you come, you think your parents are rich, or you are from a rich background, you can come and misbehave, and you score free. It's not in this university.
He also advised them to uphold good character and strictly adhere to the institution's rules and regulations. Delivering a goodwill message, the Vice President Administration of MAAUN Maradi, Niger Republic, Dr. Shaibu Tanko, encouraged the students to serve as worthy ambassadors of both the university and Nigeria, while making the most of the opportunity available to them. Parents who spoke at the ceremony commended the university's management for its commitment to academic excellence and character development. They also praised Professor Gwarzo for providing world-class facilities that supports teaching, learning, and research. The matriculation oath was administered by the Vice President Administration, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar. Among the dignitaries present were the Dean, School of Postgraduate Studies, Professor Ahmad Megari Ibrahim, Director, Institute of Africa Higher Education, Research and Innovation, AHERI, Professor Abubakar Sadiq Haruna, Director, Academic Planning and Quality Assurance, Dr. Noura Iyaru, Vice President Campus Life, Dr. Hamza Garba, Head of MAAUN International Office, Engineer Bashir Garba, Deans and Chairs of Departments, and other invited guests.